As for figuring it out, then I've got on this side of the front of the house, I got the same question. Does this section right here be controlled to the front of the house, or is that the back of the house? Could the issue be over there? Well, I'll get to that if I need to. You know, I could go over there now. I could dig out. I would have to dig out in a couple different areas and find where the drip bubblers are, because all of these drip bubblers seem to be underneath the dirt, around the dirt, underneath where the roots are, somewhere underneath the rocks. That's why before it's all said and done, even once I get it all figured out, I'm gonna redo everything so that each bubbler is above the ground, somewhere up in the root system, up above the decomposed granite in each plant. Okay, that goes for that area over there. That goes for all this. Let's see all the work I had to do just to find and locate the one bubbler for this one bush. I had to do all that, had to move all the rocks back. Here's that paper stuff underneath here. I had to fold that back. I had to dig up that. Now I have to sift the dirt back down into there, sift the rocks, get the rocks back over here, and that's for one. Now I have to do it for that bush, for that bush, for this bush. Every single bush I'm going to do it for, because if I'm going to do it right for here, I'm going to do it right for this too, and I'm going to do it right for that over there, and I'm going to do it right for that over there. You know, eventually I'm going to have it all done. Hey, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. How do you figure out something like this? Something like this for landscaping, and how do you fix all this? One step at a time. Now it's for one step at a time. If I didn't do all this, who would? I know how to do it. You don't have to be that smart or that professional. You can be an average Joe just like me. You can do it yourself in your own time, your own speed, and you'll figure out things as you go, and you'll save a ton of money. If I were to have a landscape guy come out here, first off, I'm not going to have my gardener do it. He's a one-man show. He only comes on weekends. He works a full-time job somewhere else. But most gardeners, they are blow and go. They cut your lawn, they edge it, they do a little bit of weeding, so they claim, and they do a little bit of pruning once in a while. If you were to have them do it, or if you were to have just a regular landscape crew come out here and do all this troubleshooting and do all the stuff that I'm going to be doing, I am afraid to even think how much it would cost just to redo this front, like what I'm explaining. $8,000? Yeah, no joke. Most of it's labor, but it's going to cost you thousands and thousands of dollars. Trust me. That's why you got to start thinking how to do this stuff on your own. It gives you, hey, do I have to go to a gym? Heck no. I got plenty of work here to always keep me in shape. And I'm saving money. Don't forget.